So Pablo Escobar's brother wants to kill Samsung with another folding phone.
Samsung will not survive. Pablo is still upset. Pablo always wins. The death comes fast.
So guys, as if last year's Pablo Escobar Fold 1 wasn't enough, there is now a second Pablo Escobar branded folding smartphone. The name, the Pablo Escobar Fold 2. Like its predecessor, the Fold 2 is suspiciously cheap at only $399, and it is explicitly described on its website as the real Samsung killer phone with the ominous tagline, "Rest in peace Samsung, Pablo always wins." I mean, can it happen? When you take a close look at both renders, it's very clear that this is a dupe of last year's Samsung Galaxy Fold with the Pablo Escobar Inc-branded gold paint and the logo slapped on. Also, the specs of both devices are the same. Both feature Android 10, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 4380 mAh battery, and a main 7.3-inch display. However, there are some subtle differences. The Escobar Fold 2 has only 5 cameras compared to the Samsung's Fold's 6 cameras. But the most interesting part of the Escobar Fold 2 is that it doesn't cost $2,000 compared to the Samsung's Fold, and even the slightly more expensive 512GB version of the Fold 2 costs only $550. I mean, that's insane. As I'm talking to you, the Fold 2 supposedly has gone through rigorous testing and has a limit production run of 200,000 phones, and there wouldn't have been no limit. However, to the sleazy marketing materials like the Fold 1, there are copious product shots with Pablo Escobar wallpapers, and things even got more weirder when Playboy models used a sledgehammer to smash a 5G variant of Samsung Galaxy Fold. Also take a note that last year's Fold 1 never actually delivered, despite Escobar Fold Inc. is taking orders of it. And the same case for the Escobar Fold 2. As always, normally I'll give you a link in the description box so that you can pre-order the device. However, I'm not going to do that because this is almost certainly a scam, because buyers haven't seen the Escobar Fold 1, so giving Escobar another $400 suddenly will fall in the "fool me twice, shame on me" category. If you want to throw away $400, a quick Google search will find you the links you need. Also, if this is your first time here and you just drop by, please make sure to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you become part of the fam. And also give this video a thumbs up if you think it was informative. And with that said, till next time, bye bye.